Nobody's coming to save you. You got a voice, you got a message, you got a business, but you're still waiting, still quiet. That's not humility.
That's missed opportunity. Your voice is your platform. Content is your storefront.
Hey, if you're not working right now, or just left a job, or in between things, this might be the moment to build something for yourself. Speak to the Dow family. Now, some of y'all might say, why I gotta do all that? Why can't I just get me a good job and be straight? I hear you, I do. But let's be real. Y'all been working that job a while and working hard, showing up on time, doing everything right, and still getting laid off. Still stressing about rent. Still praying your boss don't switch up next week. So let's not act like the system's been solid with us. You can keep doing what they taught you, or you can start building something they can't take. See, building for yourself is financial security. It's knowing you don't have to wait on nobody to feed your family. It's control over your time, your talent, and your income. It's being able to pay your bills on time without stress. It's giving your children something to inherit. It's being able to say, I built this, and no one, I mean no one, can take that from me. That's what building for yourself really is. It's not a trend, it's survival. And for our people, it's overdue. Now let's map it out. So today, family, real quick, I'm going to show you how you can start mapping that out for yourself. Not tomorrow, not next week, not next year, but right now. And all you need is the truth. And the perfect plan. You don't need to start pointing. Grab a pen. Open your notepad. Let's walk through it together. What do you do well? What problem do you solve? What do people already trust you with? Write that down. That's your starting block. Now, some of y'all might already be thinking, I know what I'm good at, but who's going to pay me for that? Let me tell you something. People will pay you for your story. People will pay you for your journey, your process, your pain, your point of view, because nobody else has it but you. You might think, I'm just talking. If your videos ain't hitting like you want them to, it's not because you're boring. It might be because you building them backwards. And every viral short has 6 parts. A hook, fast pacing, text, a real topic, and honest solutions. And a clean mic drop. Miss just one, and you lose people in 2 seconds. So your hook needs to grab them. The first 3 seconds, no intro, no build up, cut the fluff. Every second counts. Talk like time is expensive. Use bold caption. If they can't read it, they'll scroll past it without thinking. Hit a topic we feel daily. Stress, marriage, money, manhood, business. Give us something real in return. Not quotes, solutions, a reason to think or change. Close it right. Leave them with a punchline, a challenge, or a wake-up call. Listen, your video is either a background noise or it's a weapon. Build with precision. Every second matters. Say it, cut it, mean it. Then drop the next one. Peace.
That's your freedom. Don't overthink it. Just start. Start where you are. Speak to who needs it. And stay in motion. You don't need perfect. You need consistent. You need conviction. Because this ain't about going viral. It's about going visible.
If this hit you, don't scroll past truth. Subscribe, comment below, and share this with someone asleep.